What's going on, guys? TechLift here. Today we're going to be unboxing, giving the first impressions of the new Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2's Xbox wireless headset, mic, everything you need to game on a console. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright guys, so right off the bat, the packaging is really well made and quality. You feel like you're getting a quality product, and for a whopping $100 USD, you would hope so. So the packaging is really well made. You got photos of the actual headset itself there, which actually makes you want to buy the product. It honestly looks like a premium headset. It doesn't look like those cheapy plug and play headsets that you would normally get. So let's go ahead and take this thing out of the packaging. So right off the bat, you get the little box itself, the user manual thing. Honestly, it reminded me a lot of the Apple user's manual that you get, because it came with, like, you know, the instructions that no one ever uses, and then it came with a couple other things like a sticker, which honestly I was kind of impressed with. Everything in this packaging so far was really quality, and I was super impressed with it. Now we got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Super impressed by that, and love the fact that it's USB-C, so fast charging. Then we got the headset itself, so super simple packaging. You're only going to get two things. It came with, obviously, the little moisture guard thing there, but the headset itself right off the bat felt really quality. I was super impressed by how the material of the actual plastic felt. It was like a matte finish that felt really nice and it's like scratch resistant almost. And the ear cups, they do flex there side to side, which was also a nice little touch. You got the Turtle Beach embossed into the top of the headset. Moving on to the other ear cup, which is where all your dials are and the actual mic itself is. You do have that adjustable ear cup there as well, and the ear cups themselves. Now it does turn completely flat, which was a nice feature. If you get tired of holding or having these things on and you need to take them off, they can kind of just rest on your shoulders. Again, super well made, and all the materials feel really good. They don't feel anything crazy premium, but you can still feel that you're getting a quality product. Now there you have the dials, the game volume dial, the mic volume dial, and the different modes. There's a couple different modes you can do. I found that I feel like just the standard mode was really good, and I could hear everything in my game. And then you have the obviously pairing button there, just like you would on any Xbox. And then the mic hides away, which is an awesome feature. Now I just love the color, the white, the matte white. It just pairs well with the Xbox Series S that I have. And then the fact that the mic goes up as well is an awesome feature, and it doesn't feel like you're wearing a dorky gaming headset, which is awesome. But the sad thing that I quickly realized was that I couldn't pair it to my phone as well. Unfortunately, some of my friends don't have mics, and we have to do phone calls or, you know, whatever you use for Zoom calls. So that was one downside that I didn't really like. But overall, trying them on for the first time, they felt really good. I felt locked in and good to go. Wow guys, so initial impressions of these bad boys. They're plastic, but it's like a heavy duty plastic, and the cloth ear cups, I didn't know how I was gonna feel about that. I prefer leather, but that feels insanely good, and it feels super comfortable. When you throw it on, it's almost like noise canceling, just like my other headphones, and they're not going anywhere. They're staying on there. And I also love how they rotate all the way out like that, and it just goes with the new Xbox Series S, which is what I got. The mic, super adjustable. Get it out, you don't look dorky. And I'm pretty sure you can use these as Bluetooth headphones. I'm not 100% sure, don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure you can. Oh, and the mic swivels in and out, so that's cool. I haven't seen that on reviews. In and out, and then all the way up. Get that out of your way. And they look like just sick headphones, so I'm liking these. I'm gonna go ahead and boot up Battlefield 2042, which is why I got these, to literally get the full game experience. It's currently Friday, November 12th, 6:02 p.m. So the game has been out for a couple hours now, and we're gonna go ahead and see how it does. Alright guys, so booting up the Xbox Series S again blew my mind. Like, I can't believe how fast this thing is and how powerful it is for how small it is and for how budget friendly it is. So pairing up the headset itself is also super easy and super user friendly, just like the Xbox Series S is itself, just to set up. Now all you got to do is press that pairing button. It looks exactly like the Xbox controller pairing button. You click that, and then it should read it as a Xbox headset, which will pop up a notification there, as you guys saw. So here I'm booting up Battlefield 2042, which was a game that I was super excited for, and one of the reasons why I decided to pick up an Xbox. Now you go through the setup phase, and you can adjust your sound settings there. It sounds absolutely amazing and immersive. Immersive is the best way that I can describe this headset. Again, it doesn't sound like those cheapy headsets that you would normally get, the plug and play ones. This sounds like you're in the game. You can hear noises. Now, the vehicles, you can hear them from far away, you can hear them from close up, and whenever a tank or something like that's coming nearby, you can know exactly where it's at. Guys, so right off the bat, I can control the game audio, and then I can control my mic audio, which is freaking awesome because I need that, especially at night whenever I game. That's mainly the only time I game. And then also the mic is super comfortable, the ear cups are super comfortable, and the bass on everything has been awesome. I can hear everything. These really do sound premium and good. Again, I don't really have much to compare them to besides the old school Xbox headsets and nothing lately, but these so far have been awesome. I'm digging them so far. First impressions of Battlefield 2042, it's freaking crazy. It's gonna be nuts, and the audio sounds awesome on this, and it makes it super immersive having these and 2042 going. Yeah, just having that super fast Xbox, it looks really good. So far, I'm very impressed. I'm gonna try these out for the next week or so, and then I'm gonna have a full in-depth review on these for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. That's gonna go ahead and do it. Tech Lift out.